Welcome. Today, we're going to generate a MATLAB code to find divisors of a positive integer. The first statement of the code prompts the user for input. This MATLAB function input displays the text inside the double quotation marks and waits for the user to input a value and press the return key. The fix function then rounds any number to the nearest integer toward 0. The second statement formats data and displays the data on the screen. The third statement calls the function find _divisors, which we will create shortly. Since we are defining the user-defined function in a script file, the function must be at the end of the file. Next, we declare the function named find _divisors, which accepts an input n and returns an output as a list containing all the divisors of the integer n. It's important to note that valid function names must begin with an alphabetic character and can contain letters, numbers, or underscores. We then create an empty list or a one-dimensional array to store the divisors. After that, we use a for loop, which executes a group of statements a specified number of times. In this case, the loop iterates n times, and during each iteration, it checks whether the remainder obtained by dividing n by the index variable I is 0. If it is 0, then I is a divisor of n and will be stored in the list divisors. The index I is incremented by 1 after each iteration until it exceeds the n value n. Finally, remember to terminate the declared function and the for and if statements with the end statement. Now let's run the code.